Hey y'all, it's Mecca Mecca and I'm coming to you with a new YouTube video. And today I am eating Sub Queen, y'all. OMG. If y'all know Sub Queen, y'all know my girl Neet be doing her thing with the wings, Philly cheesesteaks, everything. Today I will be eating her onion rings and her Asian wings, y'all. Look at that. OMG, when I tell you Neek wings are so amazing. Oh my gosh, I can eat them all the time. Well, I do eat them all the time. Like, probably she be saying, why this girl always ordering my food? But Neek, your food is so amazing. Thank you again for letting me do this video on your food, because you know I love your food. But yeah, y'all, we about to dig on in. And she make her own Asian sauce too, y'all. Her own Asian sauce, and it's blazing. Everybody can tell you them Asian wings is blazing. I don't know why, but I've been eating a lot of onion rings nowadays. I know y'all want me to take a bite out of these wings. Look at that. Dripping. Y'all. When I tell y'all Neek be doing her thing with these wings, it's not like they change, like, oh, they taste different one day. No. Every time I get these wings, they taste the exact same. Crispy, dripping with her Asian sauce, so good. I like them with ranch. I used to eat them with blue cheese. And her prices is not bad, y'all, either. It is affordable prices, too. Her Philly cheesesteak is good, too. I had brought my brother in there. He was like, I don't even know what to get. And then we both looked at him like, the Philly cheesesteak. And he liked it. Her onion rings is good, too. It's just the sauce is like got sweet and tangy at the same time. It's just, oh my gosh. I tell you, she be killing it with these wings too. Even her hot wings is good too. This is a video where I've been dying to do, because I eat her wings so much. Like, I'm always sitting there eating her wings. I'm like, why I never did a video? And I got in touch with her. She was like, yeah, no problem. But she been cooking for a long time. My best friend is cousins with her, and I found out about Sub Queen when we were, I gotta say, sophomore or junior year. No, it had to be sophomore year. And she was like, we should go get something to eat at my cousin's place. It's on the Ave. I said, your cousin's place? I was like, And this is when I was living right next to my best friend. I told y'all this story. We used to live right around the corner. And she was like, yeah, it's on the side of the street. I said, well, Ma? I was like, there's no restaurant. She was like, no, she didn't open yet, but she's about to open. So we used to sit there and we went there. We got out of dance practice. She was like, yeah, let's go. And she brought me a burger from there. And I was like, dang, this burger good. And then my best friend, she had chili cheese fries. And them fries was blazing too. I haven't had her chili cheese fries in a minute. I should have got those too. Next video. Yeah. I was like, dang, why is she not open yet? But she finally had her grand open. She is right there on the avenue with her sub queen. You cannot miss it. Killing them. Restaurant is nice, homely, and her sister does cupcakes too. Her cupcakes is good. I brought her strawberry shortcake cupcake. Oh my gosh, it was so good. So good. They know how to cook over there. That's what they do know how to do. They know how to cook. I was like, dang, Tally, why you didn't bring me here before? She was like, I didn't know. And then when I tried her, the first time I tried her Asian wings was, I was at school. And me and my best friend Tally, we wasn't taking the same class together. So she had a different lunch wave. She was like, oh, I'm going to save you some Asian wings. And I was like, Asian wings? I was like, where you get that from? She was like, you know my cousin, I brought you to go get you. And I was like, oh, okay. I was like, I'll try them. And y'all know how school lunch is. So I was happy that I got something. I took a bite into that wings. I said, and then one of my friends, Alexis, she was like, fire, right? I said, girl, yes. Because Tally shared with Alexis, I think she had about like 6 wings. Tally was like, Tally gave her at least Alexis 2. She gave me 2. And I think she had the rest for herself. She was like, those is blazing. And it was, Alexis was telling me her cousin made them. I was like, yeah, I met her cousin before. She was like, yo, that's blazing. I need to go to Av and get some. Well, girl, Callie put everybody on these Asian wings. Ever since I've just been getting them. And when I don't have a ride to go to her store to go get these, Uber Eats. I'm putting no game. And when I used to get out of work, I was like, dang, I need some Subway. But yeah, Neek is cool peoples. All them. All my bestie family is mad cool. But y'all, I am closer to going on my vacation. I cannot wait. If y'all follow me on any social media or anything, y'all gonna be seeing I'm gonna be acting up. And I know I've been cheating a little bit, but watch, I'm gonna get this body right. I can't wait. I'm going on vacation with Ebony. It's one of my cousins. And we never like, we only hung out like one time, like spent a night like that. We was at my other cousin Jazz sleepover, hotel sleepover. But I can't wait to just have a whole vacation with her, my Aunt Willow. Be chilling on the beach, doing excursions. Having a good time. I'm trying to go swimming with dolphins, y'all. Yep. What's your favorite part of the chicken wing? The flat or the drumstick? I like flats. I think there's more meat on it. But y'all, let me tell y'all, I've been stressed lately. I got this earth science class. It's a lot going on. I will learn about natural disasters. It is so hard, and it's so much reading. Yeah, it's so much reading. Well, she canceled class yesterday. Whew, I got to go home early because I take that class around 3 o'clock to all the way to 4:30. 4:40 sometimes. And y'all, who want to be there on Monday and Wednesday that long? Nobody. I checked Blackboard for the college kids who know what Blackboard is. I checked that real quick. Said she wasn't there. Started shouting. Whew. I was like, take as much time as you need. And we got tests coming up too, so I just wanna be at 820 in that class, cause she grades us by out of 1,000 points. I mean, and if I'm at 800, I'm gonna be at B minus. So I'll be good with that. A B plus is what I'm really aiming for, but nothing under a B minus. Because I want to keep my GPA up. I got a lot of rings, y'all. I think this is, I got 10. 10 wings, y'all. But yeah, that's the only thing that's been stressing my life out. Also too, Shout out to my auntie Henny for getting me this sweater. I love it. It's nice and warm. Shout out to you, boo. This is gonna be like one of my sweaters I wear to school or around the house. It's so fitting, and it's like a crop sweater too. Like a little crop sweater. And it matches my whole outfit right now. Cause I got black and white pants on. I'm killing it right now in the house. Absolutely killing it. But today, I didn't want to talk about it, but it's Valentine's Day. What else? As you can see, I'm not so hyped about it, but shout out to all my friends that don't have a Valentine's. Kaylani, Taisha, I'm here with you. I'll be honest, this is the best Valentine's I ever had. Ever since I was in 3rd grade. Because I know when y'all was kids, all the way up until 3rd grade or probably 4th grade if you're lucky, the teachers had little Valentine's Day parties. And I was killing it every year. Well, my mom, Kelly used to go out for Valentine's Day. Any holiday where we had to have a little party. My mom, she used to get the nice gifts. When I tell you, used to get candy, a card, and you got a little baggie along with it. My mom was one of those parents. Yep. And then I remember one time I told my mom, I was like, well, I don't want to give that to her. She'd be like, Mecca, everybody getting the same thing. I was like, well, we're going to put a little bit of candy on her back. Mom was so done with me. Yep. Ever since 3rd grade, I always had a good Valentine's. But after that, I never got nothing from nobody. But this is a pretty good Valentine's Day. I'm getting my clothes washed as we speak. I managed to watch 3 documentaries today. Went to the bank. Got that done. Then I cleaned up my room. I'm doing great today. Like, I'm really doing big things today. Valentine's Day. If you think that's a boring Valentine's, something's wrong with you. Have you cleaned your room? No. Have you washed all your clothes? No. I'm getting stuff done. And this was my day off too. Boom, killing it. My Uncle Greg, when I told him, because he brought like different types of wings from Neet for Christmas, he was like, Mick, you know she sells sauce, right? I said, I already been up on it. You ain't gotta tell me now, and I already been up on it. I know she sells sauce. He was like, I'm about to get some of that. And we got a fryer at my house, so Gregory will be over here cooking. This sauce blazing, but it ain't gonna be the same like Neet house. She cooking. I know y'all probably wondering where my little Mickey Mouse cup. It broke. Yeah, it broke. It got slammed. I don't even know how, cause it's like plastic, but it slammed on the ground and was like cracked open. I was like, probably for our next video, I can get her sister cupcakes. Cause her sister got good cupcakes, y'all. Like good cupcakes. Oh my God. I forgot to mention. Thank you so much for the feedback from last video. Yeah, I really enjoyed the Japanese snacks. It was this one boy. His name is Jose. He's in my literature class. He is just so nice. He was like, oh my God. He told me I could have got the snacks from the like Asian store downtown in New Haven. And I was like, really? So I still have like the snack wrappers and stuff. I got a picture of them because the ones I do like. I'm not sure I can go find them. But yeah, he is one of my new friends that I met at my college, and he is so sweet. He does good makeup and everything. Like he kills it. He does videos, but he doesn't do YouTube videos. I told him, come on to the YouTube side. Come on, make these videos. He was like, I don't know. I was like, boy, if you don't make these videos. But he said he gonna try and come over to the YouTube side. And I told him, come on, upload your videos. He be like, I don't know, but I'm gonna keep on pushing him to do it. Cause he's really good at makeup. Like if y'all see him, you're gonna be like, damn, he is dope. Cause I be looking at his makeup, I be like, damn. And then he be changing his hair colors too. So cute. That's my new friend. But yeah. But yeah, I'm full right now. I only got 2 onion rings and 3 wings left. But I ate the majority of my food. I'm full right now. Yeah. Once again, Neek did her thing. I also want to thank her again for letting me review her food and everything. She is like really nice. Like she's been working with me because I've been saying, oh, I'm going to make the video this day. I'm going to make the video that day. But I haven't got around to it because the day I was supposed to make it, it snowed. And then I just wanted to make it like a good time for her. But it all worked out, and she's been really supportive about the whole situation. And I'm so thankful. Thank you again, Neet, once again. But y'all, gotta wrap it up. Thank y'all for the love, support, and keep on sharing, keep on subscribing. Down below is my Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat, so y'all can see what I'm doing on the daily. Hopefully, vlogs are coming soon, y'all. Vlogs are coming soon, so stay tuned. I'm Mecca Mecca.